So you seem pretty excited about the year ahead. Do you mind giving us a little taster of what's in store for 2020?
Well, obviously I can't say too much, but as you'll see from the calendar, we've got a really busy year ahead. We've got a lot of international travel, so staff have all got their passports updated in preparation for all the travelling that we'll be doing. But you'll see from the calendar there, we've got the Scottish Open, we've got BAFTAs, we've got Transmit this year, the Euro 2020, so fingers crossed Scotland get there. And we're also working for an airline that you might have heard of, a little airline called British Airways.
Wow, that sounds very impressive. You must be thrilled.
Oh, delighted, but it's safe to say 2020 is going to be our year. Nothing is going to stop us. Nothing is going to stop us. Nothing is going to stop us. Hello? Hi. Hi. Can you hear me? No, I can hear you, but can you hear me? Nah. For f***'s sake. Vicky, this is broken again.
Oh, thanks. So, it's pretty clear to see that 2020 hasn't quite panned out the way you'd planned. How have you coped?
I've coped pretty well, to be fair. I'm coping. I'm doing well. I've even started writing some poetry.
So, Greg, I notice you still have your core team working. How have you managed to keep everyone employed in these strange times?
Well, when the world got turned upside down, we had to think fast. But unfortunately, we couldn't sell any of our Vowser boards on eBay. So we thought the best thing to do would be to pivot our business. And the idea just came to me one day when I was in the kitchen, just washing my hands to my favourite song.
I've got it. Corona Crusaders.
Unfortunately though, Vicky wasn't overly sold on that name, so I had to go back to the drawing board and come up with something that was a little bit more inclusive and represented the company as a whole. And that's how I came up with the name The Sanitizer Guys.
So effectively you've all pulled together in order to save the company, and how's that worked out for you?
Well, you could say that we're cleaning up.
So tell me, Greg, how have all your staff taken to this new and exciting venture?
Like Dettol off a duck's back.
So in a year where pretty much every event in the world has been cancelled, you guys have managed to adapt the business, save the company, create a new brand, hold on to all your staff and still come out the other end smiling. Tell me, Greg, where do you go from here?
Oh, what a year 2020 has been. So many things we haven't seen. Events all but gone. The pubs are closed. I miss having a beer with all of my bros. What would I do without my poor team? They turned a nightmare into a dream. Sanitizer experts, they are so wise. 2020 give me my sanitizer, guys.